Hey guys, it's Konamizo22 here, and this is our first edit. We're gonna do moves like all the other edits. First move is mine, it's spin spike. Alright, next I'm going to be doing a candlestick to big cup. Next move I will be doing is spike, spin spike, small cup, big cup. Next what I'm going to do is Pink Panther or swing. You got to get it on the spike. You grab it by the string like this, and then you flip it, you grab it, and you get it in the base cup. Next, the last move that I will be doing will be spin spike, frying pan, big cup. My last move will be one of my custom moves called base cup spin. You get it in the base cup and then you spin it off, grab it, and get it back in the base cup. Well, that's our first edit. Hope you liked it. Comment. That was Nerf Turn. Bye.